Now, the government will not be re-implementing tighter COVID-19 measures at this point. The response Wednesday as health officials confirmed at a press briefing that the country is now dealing with the fifth wave of the virus. Details in this report.
We can confirm that we are now experiencing the fifth wave of COVID infection.
Confirmation of what the COVID-19 figures and public health experts have been pointing to for the last few weeks. According to the data, Jamaica's fifth wave appeared to have started April 20 and is being driven by a more contagious strain of the coronavirus.
This fifth wave is likely due to the Omicron subvariant BA2, given the increasing proportion of this subvariant in the population and its higher transmissibility.
So far, hospitalizations from the spike are manageable and the cases are mild for the most part. The ministry emphasized that people with mild COVID cases are now at risk of contracting long COVID.
If you have not taken your third shot, then it is a good time to take it, because this will add to your resistance or response to dealing with the virus. And this, of course, is the most effective response.
The health minister said he has heard the suggestions from some members of the public, including health experts, for the re-implementation of strict COVID control measures, such as the mask mandate. But the authorities believe that at this point in the pandemic, people have to take some responsibility for their health and the lives of their loved ones and neighbors.
Some may be critical around not taking more drastic measures, as we have done in the past. But again, we have been at this for 2+ years. We have learned a lot. We have been able to learn from the mistakes, strengthen the right decisions that we have taken. The team in the field have been diligently working on it and understand the process a lot more. And there are solutions in terms of protection, vaccines.
But there is a point where the government is willing to intervene with tighter measures.
If hospitalization trends begin to go out into the concerning zones of the red, and we feel that we are at a much greater risk, we will signal that before. And of course, the cabinet of Jamaica will be in a position to take decisions even before that.
48%, or nearly half of communities across Jamaica, are said to have positive COVID cases at this time. The officials say of the previous 4 waves, the highest that rate stood was at 75%.
You will discern some variations or differences between this wave and previous waves. And so this is not a signal to panic, although we must be mindful and we must take care.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.